of you. Principal of Kids College, Ashok Reddy Garu. Today's chief guest, Kids Management Treasurer, Lion Narayan Reddy Garu, a philanthropist by his attitude and nature. Lions Club District Governor, Lion Venkat Reddy Garu. NSS coordinators Satish Chandra Garu and Margavi Madam, and the Dean Srilata Garu, and my Red Cross colleague, MC member Lion Kotlapelli Srinivas Rao Garu, and other staff of the Kids College, Raju Garu and others, and my dear students. It's indeed a happy occasion for Red Cross, at least, that in the real need of the hour, you have come forward to donate the blood in this huge number. You are known to break your own records. You are known to break your own records. Nobody to compete you, at least in this Warangal. And I congratulate all the staff and the students of the Kids College. You see, there is a saying in Telugu, మేము అంటాం, అన్ని దానాలలో రక్తదానం విన్నా ఇప్పుడు. Now the slogan is have become like this. అన్ని దానములలో కెల్లా రక్తదానం విన్నా. Earlier days so many slogans are there, but we అన్నదానం used to be there, but now రక్తదానం has overtaken that అన్నదానం. But anyhow, you see, just one or two tips or the issues or the misconceptions of the blood donation will just clarify. Any healthy individual between 18 years to 60 years with a hemoglobin content of more than 12 grams and an average weight of around 45-50 kgs weight are eligible to donate the blood. So who all can donate? You all the students can donate. You all fit in this criteria. Age more than 18 years, less than 60 years, hemoglobin more than 12 grams and weight anything around 40-50 more than. So last time 538 is the figure. We are very confident that we will break that figure. Hope so. And I thank the Kids Administration Management for giving this opportunity to be associated with this blood mega event, donation mega event. Both I am very fortunate in the sense that I both the Red Cross and also I am the member of the same Lions Club Warangal, and I was past president and past region chairman in the Lions Club Warangal. So I am both ways I am connected, and it's really a happy occasion. And you see, the days earlier used to say that ఒక్క పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ మీరు ఇచ్చేది ఉంటే ఒక్క ప్రాణం కాపాడతారు. నో, యూ సేవ్ 3 lives because there is one thing called component separation. We separate each point of blood into 3 components. We separate into RBCs, that's called packed cells, which we give only for the people who require really hemoglobin content wherever it is less, that is RBCs. The another thing is we separate into plasma serum. That is mainly because suppose burns patient, they lose the serum, they don't require the RBCs. So we save that burns patients by transfusing this serum, and also for the many pharma industries where the drugs will be manufactured with this serum. So we have that facility. And another is the platelet separation, where you know that the dengue and viral patients, they lose the platelets and you give these platelets by separating. That means you are saving each person, whichever you are giving 1 pint of blood, you are saving 3 lives. It's not that simple. So it is you are very fortunate that everyone should feel that I am saving 3 lives. That is the motto behind this concept of blood donation. And another thing is, there is nothing to lose this one. After all, how much you are drawing? About 300 cc. To say in motor bashalo oka pavu liter. What the quantity every individual will have, that 5 liters. Every individual will have an average 5 liters of blood, and the amount which we are donating is only 250 to 300 ml. And the lifespan of the RBCs is 120 days. So the blood RBCs which we have got by birth will not be there after 120 days. They are excreted in urine and other things. So instead of excreting every 120 days, you are giving to other person to save their life. Moreover, by giving every regularly, at least 3 times in a year or 4 times in a year, you are rejuvenating yourselves, because the new blood will be reproduced by your bone marrow and spleen. They are the organs which rejuvenate or reproduce, regenerate the RBCs. By that, you are always fresh. You are away from the diseases. So many advantages by giving blood donation. It's not just saving lives of others, you save your life itself, because by becoming healthier, more healthier. So you are away from the diseases. Your life, so there is a Germany studies recently that your lifespan also increased. By repeated giving bloods, your lifespan is, at least if you give 4 times, 1 year more life is added to you. Not just ordinary life, a healthier life is added 1 year. So these are the advantages of the blood transfusion. I can go on saying about 100 advantages by giving blood donation. Not even single disadvantage of blood donation. So my dear students, you are doing a noble activity today. I congratulate each and every student who have come forward to donate the blood on this auspicious day. I can say that auspicious day. Any blood donation